Today we are again in Baku, Hyatt Regency. Now the chef here is going to prepare a salad, and he's making the products ready and will prepare it for us here. But actually, due to the pandemic, these are not working, but he's going to be here for us to show. And maybe you tell us about, when he's bringing the things, you tell us about the wine here.
Yeah,
What do you have?
we have the local wines, we have the Italian wines, we have the Hillside our brand. It's very delicious.
And also
we
Bordeaux.
We have the Bordeaux, we have French wine. We have also Arbizia Italian, it's white wine. Small bottle there.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the Chili Maco. White wine. We have the Escuderio from Spain wine.
Spanish wine,
Yeah.
Italian wine,
Italian,
French.
Chili,
local, Georgian.
Georgian, unfortunately, we don't have Georgian. This is
The
also our local
neighboring
Gala.
country, Gala.
Gala, yes, our local brand. The same brand with Hillside.
Similar taste.
Yeah, similar taste. And South Africa, we have Compos.
You also have wine from South Africa.
Yeah.
Tall Horse.
And
You don't have from
also we
Georgia,
have no.
from Romania?
Also, we have the organic local wine. This is first organic wine in our country. Let me I will show you.
Please, please. What is it called?
This is Meyseri Mercan.
Uh-huh.
It's our local organic wine. Organic wine. And also we have Innabi. It's different.
Marjan and Innari.
Innabi. Yeah.
Innabi.
And also we have the Bluri. It's white one.
Uh-huh.
We have the it's dry wine.
Try. And you have these rosé here.
Yeah, so
Italian. Which one is preferred most?
this is
Did you fry it or was it on the grill?
it's fried.
Fried.
Salata özelliği.
Uh-huh. And for this salad, he's using only arugula
Yeah.
and some olive oil. Yeah,
This is lemon
Oh.
dressing.
lemon dressing. Sorry.
And segment. Little bit fresh orange.
Uh-huh. A little fresh orange.
Little bit cherry tomato, fried cherry tomato.
Uh-huh.
One bit.
What's the most preferred salad here? Which one is the most preferred one?
This one and also we have the burrata cheese salad.
Burrata cheese salad.
This is one.
And the burrata cheese, it's coming from Italy,
Yeah, it's good.
fresh from Italy.
Good, yeah. Burrata, mozzarella.
Mm-hmm. They're all coming to you from Italy. So when someone orders this salad, you are offering meysarı,
Meysari is mercan. Yeah.
mercan
Yeah.
with this. So he's cutting it in slices.
Nice.
And Parmesan cheese.
It's also from Italy.
Şöyle
Uh-huh.
small tatlı onu. Nereden gönderelim? Şerbet parmesan.
Uh-huh. Now delicious parmesan is coming on top of it. And some final touchings, almost ready for service. Now with pepper, it's ready. All right. Thank you, Ashan.
Thank you.
Thank you.